Hi everyone, Mrs. McBain here. Today we're going to be learning about writing expressions in which letters stand for numbers. All right, so let's go ahead and get right to it and let's take a look at what we are doing today. We've just got 3 questions. Okay, so question 1, it says, Fisher can type X words per minute. Eliora can type 4 times as many words as Fisher. Okay, well, let's figure out how we can write that out as an expression. The first thing I like to do anytime I see a problem like this is I like to underline all of the important information so we remember to include it. So let's see. So we've got X words per minute. So X is going to represent a number. We're definitely going to underline that. Let's see. Eliora can type 4. Okay, so we definitely need that. But let's see, but that's 4 times as many words as Fisher. So remember, times means multiply, so we need that too. So there is, and I see it already, there's a quick and easy way to write this one out as an expression. So let's see. So remember, anytime you see a number and a letter next to each other, that means that we're multiplying them together. So if we wanted to say that Fisher can type X words a minute and Eliora can type 4 times as many, we could write that out as an expression just by saying 4x, okay? As 4x, that means the exact same thing as 4 multiplied by x, or 4 times x. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Let's see, Sawyer swam Y yards last week. Ryan swam 3 yards less than half the amount of yards as Sawyer. Okay, so let's underline our important information. So we have Y yards, and we're going to underline that Y because we know that represents a number. Let's see, we've got 3 yards over here, so I'll underline the 3. Oh, definitely underline less than. We certainly need that. Oh, and half the amount. Okay, so this one, I'm pretty sure we could write this a couple of different ways. Let's go ahead and write it out nice and simple here. So let's see. So we could say y, let's get our division symbol. So let's see, so y divided by, let's see, y divided by 2, because we know that Ryan swam less than half, so 2 could be half. Y divided by 2 minus 3. Okay, so let's read it again. So Sawyer swam Y yards last week. Ryan swam 3 yards less than half the amount of Sawyer. So we have Y, which is how many yards Sawyer swam, divided by 2 so that we can make it in half. So that's our half the amount, minus 3 because that's 3 yards less. All right, let's take a look at the last one. The last one says, a number F is decreased by 4 and then doubled. Decreased by 4 and then doubled. Let's see what we're going to do here. So let's underline our important information. So we have F and decreased by 4 and then doubled. Okay, so that one sounds tricky, but I don't think it's going to be that bad. Let's take a look here. So if we're going to double something, remember if we doubled it just like we did up here when we halved it, we made it by 2. So we could say by doubling, we're going to say whatever it is, we're going to multiply it by 2. And let's see, F is decreased by 4. So let's put those in parentheses, because remember, for following PEMDAS, we have to solve the parenthesis first. So you say parenthesis and then F minus 4. Okay, there it is right there. So that is if a number F is decreased by 4, so that's this right here in the center, and then doubled. Okay, so that's 2 times F minus 4. All right, so not too bad today. Remember, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget that there is a free Teachers for Pay Teachers worksheet in the description. All right, have a great day.